We're thrilled to have you join us on this exciting adventure where creativity meets sustainability. In this channel, we dive deep into the world of woodworking, specifically focusing on the magic of transforming old pallets into beautiful, marketable treasures. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a curious beginner, our aim is to inspire you to see the potential in reclaimed wood. Each pallet tells a story, and with a little imagination and craftsmanship, we can create unique pieces that not only serve a purpose, but also bring character and charm to any space. As we explore various project ideas, tips, and techniques, you'll discover the joy of upcycling and the satisfaction of crafting something from scratch. Our projects will range from functional furniture to decorative accents, all while emphasizing the importance of sustainability in our craft. We believe that woodworking is not just about the end product, it's about the journey of creation, the skills we develop, and the connections we make along the way. So, grab your tools, unleash your creativity, and let's embark on this woodworking adventure together. If you're enjoying this journey of transforming old pallets into marketable treasures, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. By hitting that subscribe button, you'll stay updated with all our latest projects, tips, and creative ideas. Don't forget to give us a like if you find our content inspiring. It really helps us reach more fellow woodworking enthusiasts. And be sure to stick around until the end of the video. We often share bonus tips, behind-the-scenes insights, and maybe even a sneak peek of our upcoming projects. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to continue this adventure together. Woodworking with old pallets has become a captivating trend that merges creativity, sustainability, and entrepreneurial spirit. The beauty of working with pallets lies not only in the rustic charm they bring, but also in the endless possibilities for transformation. Each pallet carries its own history, with weathered wood that tells a story of its past life. When you embark on a journey of crafting with these materials, you're not just creating furniture or decor, you're breathing new life into something that would otherwise be discarded. This process of upcycling is not just an environmentally friendly choice, it also taps into a growing market for handmade, unique items that resonate with consumers seeking authenticity. The first step in this woodworking journey is to gather your pallets. Sourcing them is often an adventure in itself, as many businesses give away their used pallets for free or at a minimal cost. Local warehouses, construction sites, and even grocery stores can be great places to find these gems. Once you've collected a few, the next phase involves careful inspection and disassembly. It's crucial to ensure that the pallets are in good condition, free from harmful chemicals, and safe for your intended projects. This meticulous approach to selecting and preparing your materials sets the foundation for high-quality craftsmanship. Once you have your pallets ready, your imagination can truly run wild. There are countless directions you can take your woodworking projects. For instance, you might consider creating functional items like shelving units, coffee tables, or garden planters. Each piece you design can be tailored to meet specific needs or aesthetic preferences, allowing you to cater to a diverse audience. The versatility of pallet wood means you can experiment with different styles, from rustic farmhouse to modern chic, making your creations appealing to various market segments. The woodworking process itself is an art form that combines skill, patience, and a bit of magic. As you cut, sand, and assemble the pieces, you'll find joy in the transformation happening before your eyes. Each project becomes a testament to your creativity and craftsmanship. You may even discover new techniques or finishes that enhance the natural beauty of the wood, allowing you to create standout pieces that capture attention. This hands-on experience not only builds your skills, but also deepens your connection to your craft. Marketing your creations is another exciting aspect of this woodworking journey. With the rise of social media and online marketplaces, reaching potential customers has never been easier. By showcasing your work through engaging photos and videos, you can create a narrative that draws people in. Sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses into your process can foster a sense of connection and community, encouraging others to support your craftsmanship. This personal touch often resonates more than traditional advertising, as consumers increasingly seek to support small businesses and artisans. Moreover, participating in local craft fairs or farmers markets can provide valuable exposure for your products. These venues allow you to interact with customers directly, receive feedback, and gauge interest in your creations. It's also a fantastic opportunity to network with other artisans, share ideas, and collaborate on future projects. Building relationships within your community can lead to word-of-mouth referrals, further expanding your reach and potential sales. The sustainability aspect of using reclaimed wood also plays a significant role in attracting eco-conscious consumers. Many people are actively looking for ways to reduce their environmental impact, and purchasing handmade items from recycled materials aligns perfectly with their values. By emphasizing this eco-friendly approach in your marketing, you can tap into a dedicated audience that prioritizes sustainability in their purchasing decisions. As you continue to develop your woodworking skills and explore new projects, consider the potential for diversifying your offerings. For instance, you could branch into custom pieces that cater to specific client requests, adding a personalized touch that many customers appreciate. This not only enhances your portfolio, but also allows you to charge a premium for unique, tailored items. The possibilities are endless, and each new project presents an opportunity to refine your craft and expand your market reach. In addition to physical products, consider the potential for digital content. Creating tutorials, how-to guides, or even online workshops can establish you as an authority in the woodworking community. Sharing your knowledge not only helps others, but can also create an additional revenue stream for your business. People are often willing to pay for valuable insights and expertise, especially in a niche market like woodworking with reclaimed materials. In conclusion, woodworking with old pallets is more than just a hobby. It's a fulfilling venture that combines artistry, sustainability, and marketable potential. By harnessing your creativity and leveraging the unique qualities of reclaimed wood, you can craft beautiful, functional pieces that resonate with consumers. With dedication and passion, the transformation of old pallets into marketable treasures can lead to a thriving woodworking business that not only brings joy to you, but also to those who appreciate the beauty of handmade creations. Thank you so much for watching our video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in our journey of transforming old pallets into marketable treasures. If you found inspiration or valuable insights from our content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more creative woodworking projects and tips. Your likes and shares help us grow our community of woodworking enthusiasts, allowing us to reach even more people who share our passion for crafting and sustainability. We're excited to continue this adventure with you, so don't hesitate to join us for future videos filled with creativity and inspiration. Your support is what keeps us going, and we can't wait to see you again soon.